Hello, I am Jonathan Crook, Print Technical Consultant for HP. In this training video, I will quickly show you how to send a fax in the FutureSmart 4 or 5 firmware platform on our enterprise class devices. Depending on your model and firmware levels, some features or buttons may not be available. Today, I'm using Enterprise Class 6 Series device with flow features running FutureSmart 5.9. So sending a fax from the panel, you're going to go find the fax icon, and when you click on it, you're going to see a screen like this. The first thing you notice is it does come up with a 10 key, so you could easily come in and just type a fax number that you want to send to and hit OK. Now, there are a couple other options for adding fax numbers. The other one you can see is a speed dial right at the top here, right? So if I click on speed dial, it just immediately adds it in there. The other option is through the address book. And so because it is a centralized address book across all of our apps on our machine, I click on the guy inside of the square and I click on speed dials and I go to local. And now I can see local fax numbers built into the machine as well. So I can click on it and I can click add, right? So there's multiple ways that we can add fax numbers before we send the fax. There are options available for faxing, right? So if you go to options, you can see here, in most cases, you're not going to touch most of these, but the exception could be is the original size at the top, because maybe your originals are two-sided and you want to be able to scan both, and you click on two-sided and you click on done before you actually send the document off to the recipient. Now, the other thing is we've had other videos as well. The touch to preview and edit there is on the right. So, which is really nice from sending a fax perspective, because maybe you don't want all the pages sent in the fax, but you don't want to also make copies of certain sides and then build out something. So you can use that touch to preview and edit to actually edit which pages are being sent in the fax before you actually do it. But once you've set up with your fax number and the options and stuff like that, all you have to do is click send. It'll scan the documents and start sending that fax for you. I hope this has been informative for you. Have a great day.